Good morning, everyone. I'm Harvinder Kaur, faculty member of Shri Guru Har Krishan Public School, presenting before you all my views on topic managing virtual classes. So let's start it. The primary purpose of teaching is to impart knowledge, and it is age-old tradition. The only thing changed in this process is methods of teaching, which started from gurukuls to traditional learning to e-learning and to at present m-learning or virtual classroom learning. A virtual classroom learning is an online learning environment that contains all required course material beyond the physical limits of the classroom walls. The advent of the virtual classroom has made it possible for the learners to explore the facilities of the internet to create meaningful and constructive learning environment. Virtual classroom has been a boon, especially at the time of COVID-19 lockdown, when schools were closed. It helped to continue learning process of students. Now we will talk about that how we can manage virtual classes. Tip number 1 is set your rules and expectations. It's important to establish clear rules and expectations regarding student discipline, participation, and the study process. Always use rules in a positive way. For managing virtual classes, we need to discuss following rules with our students. First one is they need to find a quiet place that is free of distraction from TV, parents, toys, pets or siblings. They need to show up in time for class and wait to be admitted. They need to be respectful at all times when their video is on, and they should not use any inappropriate language or hand gesture. They need to stay on mute, and if they want to ask any question, they need to click on raise hand button. Students need to be focused so that they don't miss anything the speaker speaks. Tip number 2 is establish a routine. There should be a permanent schedule of live lessons like school timetable so that students can establish a routine of live classes. Tip number 3 is to deal with discipline related issues in the virtual classes immediately. The best way to keep a balance in our virtual classroom is to deal with discipline related problems immediately. Keep a positive attitude and be respectful even when you have to correct an unacceptable behavior. It is recommended to talk to each student who breaks rules privately after the class to encourage them to improve their behavior and to figure out the cause of their action. Tip number 4 is include and encourage everyone. One of the most important things in online learning process in a virtual classroom is to be sure that every student participates in the lessons. Encourage students to ask questions and to answer each other. We should include various teamwork projects and divide the students into groups working in different breakout rooms. Tip number 5 is we need to be friendly but firm. We should create a delightful and friendly atmosphere in our virtual classroom with a vibrant mood, fresh content, and interesting activities. A positive attitude is much more effective with students of all age groups than punishment. Tip number 6 is always appreciate or praise your students. One of the first things we need to establish along with rules and norms in our virtual classroom is the reward system. We should explore different ways of praising our students when they are making progress. For that, we can use badges, appreciation certificates, or creating a list of students with top achievers. It can help to boost morale of our students. Tip number 7 is be confident and positive. We need to be confident and positive while online classes. For that, we should prepare our lesson plan in an effective and systematic manner. Besides this, we should do more and more practice of managing virtual classes with our own unique style to promote the learning skills. I am extremely grateful of our respected principal ma'am, Dr. Kamaljeet Kaur, for giving me this opportunity to share my views with you all. Thank you everyone.